Asphalt mixture ignition oven proficiency samples 45 and 46 are currently being processed and packaged for shipping. The samples will be shipped to you on November 10, 2022. Upon receipt, carefully open the box and check to see if the samples were damaged in shipment or if they are missing a component. If you are missing any of the components described in this video or do not receive your samples by November 24, 2022, please contact us immediately. You should find the following components in the sample box. There will be 1 can of liquid asphalt and 5 bags of aggregate in the following size fractions: 12.5 millimeter, 1/2 inch, 9.5 millimeter, 3/8 inch, 4.75 millimeter, number 4, 2.36 millimeter, number 8, and a bag of fine aggregate passing the 2.36 millimeter or passing the number 8. The can of liquid asphalt and aggregate will be used to prepare a butter batch and 2 asphalt correction factor specimens. The information for preparing the batches can be found in the sample instructions on the AASHTO resource website. Please note that you must calculate the percent asphalt from the batching instructions. Once you perform this calculation, you'll compare the calculated value to the reported asphalt content value from your oven and determine the appropriate correction factor. Additionally, there will be 2 pre-mixed asphalt bricks in the sample box. One is labeled Sample A, which corresponds to Sample 45, and the other is labeled Sample B, which corresponds to Sample 46. These pre-mixed samples are the unknown bricks and will be burnt, washed, and graded. Upon receipt, assume that the pre-mixed bricks are moisture-free, and the mass of each of these asphalt bricks and any residual pieces of mixture should be around 1,580 grams to 1,620 grams. If your samples are outside of this range, please contact us. The closing date for this round is January 5, 2023. Finally, all pertinent information such as sample instructions, data sheets, and safety data sheets can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the Data Sheets and Instructions page. Thank you for your participation, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.